From traditional craftsmanship to modern design, from simple manufacturing to mastering excellence, 4C's Furniture has never ceased its contemplation of home. As sustainable development becomes a global imperative, the responsibility of an established enterprise lies not only in pursuing quality, but also in safeguarding the warmth of home. Zhongshan 4C's Furniture, a star enterprise with over 50 years of heritage, stands at the forefront of the zero-carbon revolution. Using photovoltaics as the medium and furniture as the vehicle, it integrates green genes into the enterprise, creating an aesthetic of zero-carbon living. The 9.5 megawatt rooftop PV power station project adopts the mode of self-consumption with excess electricity fed into the grid. Annual electricity generation is about 11 million kilowatt-hour, equivalent to reducing carbon dioxide emissions by approximately 10,967 tons.
四海家居呢是专注于高端家居的企业，到今年已经有54周年了。
When selecting grid-tied PV inverters, 4C Furniture places particular emphasis on stability.
我们整个光伏项目呢是分2期，一共做了9.5兆瓦的容量。在整个活的过程中，和旺利变器以优秀的服务、稳定的品质、良好的售前服务、稳定的产品质量以及及时的售后服务，是我们选择和旺利变器的根本原因。
Hopewind 20 to 50 kilowatt grid-tied PV inverters not only deliver high efficiency, stable performance, but also show excellent adaptability under weak grid conditions, ensuring long-term operation of the power plant and providing customers with continuous, dependable green energy. As a local PV inverter brand based in Guangdong, Hopewind partners with 4C's Furniture to uphold a shared commitment to responsibility, driven by technology, guided by stability, enabling a zero-carbon smart factory through exceptional service. Let solar energy become the new driving force for manufacturing. Let zero-carbon integrate into the new concept of furniture. 4C's and Hopewind join hands, using efficient PV solutions to bring new opportunities to the enterprise, allowing thousands of households to share the warmth of home.